Okay, so once again, this is one of my most fantastic rocks, detailed, the weathered out little holes in this, and the ribs. This almost looks like a structure of a bone structure here, but this is just really classy rock that looks fantastic in an aquarium, in a terrarium and whatnot. So I wanted to just show what else you can do with this. We have a range of pot rocks, planter rocks and whatnot. So in this case, I've got myself a bucket of soil here, and we're just going to put some of that in some of these holes here. Fill them up. They're just going to help with the moisture. The moss that I'm going to put in this doesn't really need soil, but it needs moisture, so this will help keep the moisture down, so you don't have to water it every single day. So we just fill up some of these little holes, and over time this moss is going to grow and start to turn this rock into even a better look than what we do ourselves right now. Okay, so then we've got some live moss here. So then we just find some holes and crevices here, squash that in. We'll water that later, and you just got to keep it wet. That's all you have to do. Bigger piece like this looks really good when you fill up the spot completely. Otherwise, you're just going to have to wait for it to grow. So you can really squash this in, and it sort of comes over the edges. That's what makes it look like it's been there for many years. And then these little ones, you can just plot them in, like up here maybe. Because this is what moss does. It goes into the crevices of the trees and the rocks, and then grows from there out. Now if you had some little ferns as well, real little miniature ferns, you could fill this back area up. There was a fair bit of soil in there, so you could fill that up and have the plants growing out of that, as well as the moss. Okay, so what makes this so much fun is this rock weighs about 10 pounds, okay? The real rock that I took the mold from weighs about 110 pounds. So you can move this around depending on the weather outside. You can move it outside, you can move it into your sunroom, you can do lots with it because it's easy to pick up. That's the secret to this, making it all fun landscaping and gardening.